Salúnas dal 2020, chai trí siesgyd gan na starchet, gus bring di Julie Urman, co-steadar agus ceansaí ag scipa ball-coise Angel City. Be seo hiad scipa ball-coise yn ban an na scíre Los Angeles, agus fa planich yn móra achga is an cliche ans yn WSL. Hannig yn beach seo yn dosach fôn clesiche Natalie Portman, y far son rwta gen y ianw mae ieng no inanach an na spors yn ban an yn Ameireaga. Mas clingi sy'n codis ha crws yn colach ag y chlod y diw, Sean ag Julie di ra, e ddash an y dabilas fichit.
It's really about bringing the best players in the world playing the most global sport here to Los Angeles, because we believe we have, the best platform to amplify what goes on in sports here. We've got a city that has 9 professional clubs and 2 NCAA powerhouses such as USC and UCLA. So we know we have a sports-hungry market. We know that youth soccer, especially here in Southern California for girls, is one of the largest in the country with over 10,000 girls enrolled. And so we know that if we can bring a phenomenal team and build a great organization around it, we'll have strong supporters. We're starting to see the attention and the excitement grow with the league, and with these additional expansion teams, including Angel City, we hope to amplify it because we believe that soccer is a little undervalued and there's a real opportunity for growth that we're excited to play a role in. We approach this in a way where we believe that mission and capital can coexist, where we can make immediate impact in our local community using sports as a way to address social injustice, but also to build a global brand where Angel City is known anywhere and we have fans everywhere.
Ha dachi, lwch lentang a haas de faas, agus siawn chlychyd ar hasing eni a lwco, mar stúri hyr ball-coise, yn ysg úlach ag Angel City. Ha eni iddi fi is leich chwtymach, an ydi a fain cwtio na henyaman y byfoa an na sŵl ball-coise yn ban. There's on a huge season like a club, ounce in WSL. Chanilot is bawl of ripper haast, ach, ha clue like a club is a choyersnach mar ha. Angel City is a dúafas a dhéanam tuvis a hiad dabli yn achga. Agus a si ag trí siesgyd a dyn o fiúr son feichking che eile súring yn club seo dhéanam is on innive ball-coise yn ban. Gan awn y fain anna da meddagau ach is fegand hyl.